Since 1991, CLA has been devoted to increasing food access and enriching the health and overall quality of life for Los Angeles residents.
The program that I operate is called the Pompea Smith Good Cooking Buena Cocina Nutrition Education Program. We usually call it Good Cooking for short. The Good Cooking program specifically, our mission is to serve low-income areas and individuals in those communities by enhancing their food knowledge and their ability to make healthy choices, and then also helping them learn how to prepare fun and quick recipes for their families.
Today we're using fresh kale, as you can see in your recipe, curly kale and the black kale. In a pan, we put to heat the teaspoon of vegetable oil, and we're gonna cook it for 5 to 7 minutes, okay? De 5 a 7 minutos, so es poco tiempo, ¿verdad?
The amazing thing about our program is that we hire people within the community to be the educators for that community. The peer educators are essentially the heart and soul of this program.
Grains fit inside the palm of your hand, right? Scoop into some rice. That handful is about 1 to 2 ounces. My job here at Watts Park and with the nutrition classes is basically to be a translator or a bridge between the things that I'm learning and the information that my program organizers have and the people. Mind explosion after mind explosion about the correlation between food quality and the quality of life and human potential, because I understand it's a hard journey to transform. Transform anything is hard. Habits die hard. And I've seen people come week after week to continue that journey.
You know, when I turned 38, I started to feel unhealthy, and I really wanted to change my life. Since I started coming here, I lost about 20 pounds in about 2 months. Just changing the way I eat, changing what I eat. All my friends are asking and they all want to learn, and I'm actually teaching a lot of my friends what to do, what to eat, what not to eat, you know, what to avoid. The cooking classes have changed my life.
I can feel it when I'm teaching, when I cook at home, when I go to the doctor and the doctor asks me, what do you give it to your little kids? Like, what I cook. Oh, okay, it's very good.
Eating, it's everything. If you eat bad, your health is bad.
For your age, for your gender, all of these things are gonna play into how much food you need, how much activity you need, right?
The changes for the participants, it's very obvious because they said, oh, I used to have cholesterol, I used to have very high my diabetes.
I have a problem with my blood pressure, it's high, and before I wasn't even taking care of it. I wasn't used to evaluating my intake of food until I came here. Coming to the class helped me. It's really like a life change.
Aurora, she started with the program since 3 years ago. She told me her husband, she has high cholesterol, and now the cholesterol is low.
A comer mejor y siempre les hago recetas de aquí que ustedes me han enseñado. Es que antes yo comía lo que cayera, vamos a decir, ¿verdad? Y desde que estoy viniendo a tomar las clases he cambiado mi hábito de comer. Como más verduras, más frutas, menos dulces.
This program changed my life. For my family, they don't get sick anymore like they used to be. When my kids go shopping, they look the labels from the salt, calories, sugar, fat. So they said, oh, Mom, you're gonna buy me this because it's low in this. You're gonna buy me that because it's low in this.
What I like about the classes, it really feels like they care about you.
From Lonnie to the nutritionists and the cooks, I love all of them. That's what keeps me coming back. If I don't come back, they're gonna call me and say, oh, we miss you, Miss Essie.
It doesn't improve anybody's condition to ignore your neighbors. Reach out to help them and spread the resources, spread it, and it comes back to you. You don't lose anything by helping, you don't, you gain. These people are great people. They just need a bit of support in their transformation, and they might teach you a thing or two along the way.
I feel very just overwhelmed and overjoyed to have a job where I wake up every morning and I get to go into these amazing communities and just make such a tangible difference in people's lives, and doing it all with like the incredible people that I work with. This program is amazing.
Oh, gee whiz. Let me out of the hot seat.
Oh, yeah, you're out.